Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making a little smoky chili casserole. This is going to be pretty quick. It's going to be pretty tasty. So stick around. I think you may want to try this recipe. I will be using cinnamon spice cornbread for this recipe. If you don't know, cinnamon is quite a complimentary spice to chili. I think the cinnamon cornbread might actually be really good. I'm actually going to just prepare this according to the instructions on the box, which does require me to have a 1/3 cup of water, a 1/3 cup of milk, and 1 egg. And I'm going to mix that all together until it's, well, mixed together. I'm just using some regular old barbecue sauce, and I'm going to add about a 1/2 cup to my measuring cup. And to it, I will be mixing my spices. About a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. Just going to mix all that together. I've decided that I want to chop up my little smokies. I think I'm just going to cut them in half. I don't want them to be super tiny, but I really don't want this whole big smoky. I would rather it be spaced out a little better throughout the casserole. I have greased my pan. Whatever pan you're using, you're probably going to want to grease it. I am using just chili style beans. Going to use 2 cans. Now, if you're using a smaller pan, then you may want to just use 1 can, and you might want to even use a smaller cornbread mix. Just want to spread this out nice and evenly. Next, I will put on my little smokies and spread those out. Definitely think it was a good idea that I chopped them up a little bit. This pan may be too small. Then I will add my barbecue sauce, and I'm just going to try to make sure I get it somewhat evenly spread around throughout the dish here. Looks pretty good. Next comes some shredded cheese. I am using a triple cheddar, probably about half the bag. Then, to try and evenly spread my cornbread mixture all through the top. I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees according to the instructions on my cornbread mix. This is probably going to bake for 30 to 40 minutes would be my guess. When the cornbread's done, it's done. You do that whole toothpick testing. Once it's done, I will get it out, plate it up and I'll let you see what it looks like. Thanks so much for watching. Happy eating!